In this video, I will show you how to change your voice on Discord, and if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. So with this video, we're going to be using a free voice changer today called Clownfish, which is absolutely free to download and use. As you can see, I've got my Discord open and ready to go. But if you do have any questions regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment below. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually download the Clownfish voice changer. And to do this, what you want to do is first of all, open up a internet browser. So once you've opened up a browser, you then want to navigate to google.com, and into the Google search page, you want to go ahead and type in Clownfish voice changer. So that's this one here. And then what you want to do is select the top result, which is clownfishtranslator.com/voice changer. So this is the correct website. So you want to make sure the website looks like this to download the Clownfish voice changer from. And on here, what you want to do is if you scroll down a bit, you can see some information about the voice changer. So you can see the voice changer, it can actually be used for other applications as well. So in addition to Discord, you can use it on things like Steam, Skype, Hangouts, and a ton of other applications. And you can see there's quite a few different voices that you can use. So you can use, for example, alien, you can use a mutation voice, female voice, baby voice, and so on and so forth. This is supported on earlier operating systems of Windows. So you can see, for example, from Vista to 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and 11. So to download this, what you want to do first is come up to the top, and at the top of the page you're going to see some options. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click onto the download option up here. So next what you want to do is click the download button here, which is download 64-bit. So you can see we've got the download version 1.75. So yours will probably see a different version. Mine is 1.75, but if you are watching this video at a different point in time, chances are it's going to be a slightly different version. So it's going to have a different set of numbers, but that is absolutely fine. From this page, what you're going to do is click onto the download button here, and that's going to start downloading. Now, if you're not using Google Chrome, you're using a different browser, all you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto the search box down here, and then you want to go ahead and type downloads to navigate to your downloads folder. So you're going to see that's going to come up under best match. So if you click onto that, you will see that the downloader is downloaded here too. So next what you're going to do is double click to start the installation wizard. And what you can then do is just go through and install the voice changer. So you just want to go through and select next on all of these. So next what you need to do is locate the Clownfish application. So the best way to do this is, again, come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto your search box. And then you want to type Clownfish into the search box here. So you see the app is now appeared. So what you want to do is click this. So you'll notice that nothing's actually come up on screen, and the reason for this is what it does, it actually opens this in your system tray. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, and you might need to click onto this arrow which says show hidden icons, but you will see when we open this that we now have the Clownfish voice changer there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is integrate this into your system, and to do that all you want to do is simply right click onto the icon, come up to setup, and then click onto system integration. Now from here you want to make sure that your microphone is set correctly. So for example, you can see I'm using a Razer Siren Mini, which is an external microphone that plugs into my computer, and we want to make sure that this has the remove button next to it. So this means that this is our primary microphone that will be used for the voice changer. You can see it says installed next to it. But if I want to choose, for example, the default microphone that comes with the PC, so this one's Cirrus Logic, what you would need to do is click the install button next to the appropriate microphone that you want to use. So once that's done, that's all set up ready to go. So once that's done, what you now want to do is come to Discord, and you just want to change this in your settings. So what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon which says user settings. And then if you come to the menu on the left hand side, you want to come down to the app settings section and click onto voice and video here. From here, you want to make sure your input device is actually selected. That's the same as the one that you had in Clownfish. So if I go back to Clownfish, and you will see that we have the Razer Siren Mini, and we can see our input device here is the Razer Siren Mini. So the microphones are the same. So you want to make sure this is set the same for that to work. So once that's ready to go, it's very, very easy. This is all set ready to go now. So all you need to do is basically come down to the right hand corner, right click onto the Clownfish icon again, and what you want to do is click set voice changer, and when I click this, it's going to change my voice. So we can actually choose the effect. This is going to bring up the system tray, and you can see all the different voice effects from here. So you've got like alien, Atari, clone, and so on and so forth. So for example, if I wanted to change it to baby, all you want to do is click onto the baby.
And you will notice my voice should now be sounding like a baby.
You can do this with any of them. You can just change around to the
different voices and choose which one you want to do.
And once you're happy
with that, you can go ahead and use this on Discord.
there's nothing further
You need to do.
But if at any point you want to clear the effect and you don't want any of these voice changer effects on, just come down to the bottom and click onto the clear effect button down here, and it's going to change your voice back to normal. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.